Few days ago, I had written down a small article explaining in brief that why is it said that anxiety is a recreation of depression. Now, depression is actually connected to the past tense, is adjoined to the past tense, and anxiety is connected with the future tense. The creator, the emotions which create depression related problems is external love known as attachment, as well as loneliness, and the creator of anxiety is fear. Now, if we want to understand the internal human nature, the mind and the psychology, the human psychology, we can understand it very easily by understanding external Mother Nature. Because the external law of Mother Nature and the internal law of human nature are created exactly in the same manner. Now, if we pay attention to Mother Nature, we will notice that it's always the past tense which recreates itself as a future tense. Now, how is that? For an example, today I am making this video. Today is a Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. Next week, Saturday will arrive once again. This month is February. Last month was January. Next year, January will arrive once again. Last season was rainy season. Next year, rainy season will arrive once again. Last but not the least, this body is made up of soil. After the death of this body, it will again become soil. So if we pay attention to Mother Nature, external Mother Nature, whatever had happened in the past will once again happen in the future tense. It's the past tense which is recreating itself in the form of future tense. If we look at the planets, let it be Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, any kind of planet, let it be Sun. All the planets are round in shape and at the same time roaming around the Sun. Of course, Earth is also roaming around its own axis as well as it's roaming around the Sun, and the Moon is also round in shape and it's roaming around the Earth. So if we pay attention to Mother Nature, external Mother Nature, that Mother Nature in itself is a perfect recycle bin recreating itself. It's the past tense which is again and again recreating itself as the future tense. Universe in itself is a perfect recycle bin. Now, after understanding external Mother Nature, we can very easily understand internal human nature. Now, as said, that depression is related to the past tense. It is always connected to the past tense. And anxiety is connected to the future tense. Now, let's create a situation over here where I am a businessman and I have lent money to my friend. My friend had borrowed money from me due to his financial situations. At the time when he had borrowed money from me, he had promised me that he would give me money within a period of 2 to 3 months. Now, in today's date, that 2 to 3 months are already done. The time has already passed. And I have approached him for the money which I had lent him in the past tense about 2 or 3 months ago. Now, he is again taking time from me due to his financial situations. He is not able to repay that money back to me. He is not able to do it. I give him more extended time period. After, let's say, about 2 or 3 months or so, I approach him once again because right now I am also in desperate need of money. Again, he says me the same thing, that he wouldn't be able to return me back my money. Now, in this situation, there is a high possibility. In fact, this is how it happens. Money is a mere attachment. As said, the first state, the first negative emotion which creates the problem of depression is external love known as attachment, and money is an attachment. Now, such kind of a negative thought can arise within my mind that I would repent on my action, that why the hell did I give that money to him, because he is not able to pay me back that money. I am in desperate need of money too. In such kind of a situation, I would overthink about my past action, because I had given him that money nearly about 5 to 6 months ago, which he couldn't repay back. Now, again and again, if I repent about that action which I had committed, let's say about 5 to 6 months ago, this repenting about the past tense will create a problem of depression within my mind, because I'm overthinking about the past tense. Now, this same situation, as said, due to external attachment, this external attachment, loss of external attachment will push me into the state of loneliness. And when I enter into the state of loneliness, my mind will keep overthinking about my past actions, and I'll keep on repenting about my past actions, due to which depression related problems will increase within me. And this depression related problem, which is connected to the past tense, which will recreate itself as the future tense. Depression related problems will recreate itself in the form of anxiety. Now, how does that happen? Now, after I had given him money and I'm already repenting about my action, now this state will give birth to a new thought process, that whether I will get back that money or not. It is a very natural process to think in such a way that whether I'll get that money or not. Now, this thought process is connected with the future tense. This thought process is a creation of fear, because I'm in constant fear right now. I have a fear of the future tense, that whether I will get that money back or not. So, if we pay attention over here, that it's the past tense which is recreating itself as the future tense. It's depression which is recreating itself in the form of anxiety. The money which I had given to my friend nearly about 5-6 months ago, now a fear is arising from within me, that whether I will get back that money or not in the near coming future tense. This is exactly how anxiety is a recreation of depression. Depression recreates itself in the form of anxiety.